I'm Molly Reed, your Volusia County community correspondent. The Marine Science Center here in Ponce Inlet is finally reopened after 10 months of being closed for renovations. Volusia County poured almost $4.2 million into the renovations here, not only to help boost tourism in the area, attract people to get inside and learn a little bit about Central Florida in Volusia County's ecosystems, but also, of course, to help the animals.
It was nothing compared to what it is now.
With the doors open, a line of curious minds poured in.
I think it's really going to draw a lot of people down here to Ponce. Ponce Inlet better get ready.
A new education building, a working coral lab, a living shoreline, and a living reef exhibit. Manager Chad McAfee hopes these exciting additions will enhance the center's impact on visitors. The center even built a replica of the sunken Lady Philomena. The ship was confiscated by the U.S. Border Patrol for smuggling cocaine to Miami and given to Volusia County to sink 13 miles offshore to become a reef. The replica and all of these new additions were funded through an ECHO grant, ARPA funds, and donations.
We need the public to come in and learn about Volusia County's marine and terrestrial habitats and learn on ways that we can help reduce those impacts.
Additional capacity, especially for turtles, they say is extremely helpful this year. A record year, they say, for turtle rescues.
I think our previous record was about 230 sea turtles. So far this year, we're already up to 260. We still have 6 months to go.
New quarantine areas and additional hospital space. McAfee says they're also taking in more gopher tortoises this year. Among the several species of animals they have room for now in need of rehabilitation before being released back to the wild.
We're able to create sterile, separate spaces, a new commissary, renovate our hospitals, so we're more efficient at treating, the 1,100 birds that we bring in per year.
I'm your Ponce Inlet, Volusia County community correspondent, Molly Reed, News 6.